Hey guys, this is Carmen Paintball Life. Kind of doing a weird video for you guys today. I'm going to be unboxing the Empire event. Now, as you see by the box, it's not a normal packaged box. This is the reason why is because I didn't actually buy this mask. I traded one of my masks for it, my JT Proflexes. So yeah, this is used. And I won't show you my billing info. Alright. Now this took 2 days to come in. Just opening it here. Now guys, it's Christmas, so I won't be doing another video from now till early January. Okay, so put some packaging or packaging. More packaging. Okay, so here's the handy dandy mask here. Alright, so we have a clear lens, anti-fog. Wow, that's nice. And Empire Events. There you guys go. Empire Events. With a blue mirrored lens. These are freezing. Holy shit. Sorry for my language. Wow. These are nice. I've worn them before, but the lens look really nice on them. I'll be doing a review video after Christmas sometime. So yeah, that's the unboxing. There's just one more thing inside here. Oh, my $10. Alright guys, that's an unboxing video of the Empire events. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe.